I just come outside of my hut. It seems snowy weather. It was snow falling last night. You can see the extreme cold weather over here at Meadows. It's about minus 7 to 8 degrees Celsius right now at Meadows. It's very cold, very cold. I'm doing my morning walk to get relax my body, but it is very cold outside. You need to prepare the gadgets, the things that warm your body even in this extreme cold weather. Really, the winter survival is very difficult at Meadows. You need to be very cautious. Precautionary measures. You need to do precautionary measures so you're not affected by this extreme cold weather. It's minus 8 degrees Celsius out here now. The Nanga Parbat is covered by clouds. It's totally invisible right now as I'm going towards the Meadows side to show you how Nanga Parbat is covered by clouds. Really, due to the first snow falling of this summer, now I can say the winter starts over here. The proper winter starts over here. It's harsh, extreme cold weather. Even the water is too cold. I can't touch the water as I was washing my face with the cold water. But really, it was unbearable. Look. So, looks like the mountain is totally covered with snow. It's all over snow around the mountains of Meadows. Really extreme cold weather, extremely cold weather.